Something a little bit different this week. Whilst the title of the video is the 2000 subscriber giveaway, it's not meant to be celebrating the fact that I've got a channel with X amount of subscribers, as that's not what the channel is all about, and it's not why I do this, and I'll try and explain. See, I originally started making the videos of a way to record progress of Smugwood Mini, kind of like a video diary, and something I could watch back later myself for reference. I wasn't honestly expecting there to be much interest in the channel to so many people, but over the last couple of years the channel's gained a small following. As such, it's resulted in me finding many like-minded individuals who all share the same interests, some of whom I've never even met. Some I've watched and chatted to, who also happen to have their own YouTube channels. I've chatted with tons of people on several of the dedicated Classic Mini Facebook groups, and made a couple of friends who I now see in person, who have been kind enough to guide me through each stage of the restoration. I've even received help and support from a few very kind people after setting up an account with Patreon, so I thought I'd use the 2000 subs milestone as a way of saying thanks, and do a bit of a giveaway to show my appreciation to everyone who's helped and continues to help me with my project. And as I'm guessing it'll take me a bit of time to reach the 2000 subs, it'll give me time to actually start making the giveaway. Now, if you've watched my videos from the beginning, you'll know that originally the plan was to get the car restored professionally, but unearthing an underground stream during the workshop build put a stop to that when it took all of my spare funds to fix the issue, a bill which came in well over £10,000. As a result, I had no choice but to do the work myself. Fortunately, I've had the guidance from tons of people on the Facebook groups, and of course from Dennis at Classic and Retro Restorations, who was helping me in person before lockdown got in the way. I've also had a few calls from some of the group members, and had some lengthy chats with some of the YouTubers, and I'll give them a personal thanks in the future videos. But a couple that I can mention now are Paul Jeffries, who I was put in touch with by Dave Jaguar, and a few people that I've not spoken to personally and are probably unaware that they've actually helped. But guys like William Murphy, and I think Sean's his name from BMC Workshop, who've both put out some great videos that have helped me on my quest so far. There's many others to mention, but I'll leave that for a later video and I'll give credit where credit's due. But with everyone's help, I've now got a fully stripped shell, and I'm at the stage of repairing the bodywork and stripping down the engine. I couldn't have gotten to this stage without everyone's help, so I just wanted to put this video out as a way of saying thanks to everyone so far for all the help and advice. And whilst I don't have much to give away, some of you'll know that I have a woodworking YouTube channel and a music channel, but I'll not go there, that's probably not to everyone's taste. But it means I can make something appropriate as a bit of a giveaway just to show my appreciation. Funny thing is, I'm not actually that clued up with technology and how these things work, so for a bit of fun I was just going to run a little competition. Originally I'd planned to order something from what I hear are the two main mini suppliers, Mini Spares and Mini Sport, and the question was going to be, just purely for fun, which company delivered a package first? I was just going to order a sticker from each of the two companies, only something cheap like less than £1 and something I could stick in my workshop for motivation, and the question was going to be something like, see if you can guess which package got delivered first, and I'd draw a winner at random. But unfortunately, what I wanted to order from Mini Spares was out of stock, and Mini Sport's minimum postage for a sticker was showing up at nearly £5 for some reason, and if I'd hit the wrong button I could have been £85 out of pocket. So I gave up on that idea, and to make things easy, if you want to be in with a chance of winning the giveaway, all you need to do is simply leave a comment saying Smugwood Mini Keyring on either this YouTube video's comment section or the associated Instagram post that I'll put up. My Instagram's easy enough to find, it's under Smugwood Mini. So you're probably wondering what the giveaway is. Well, don't get too excited. It's not much, but as a way of saying thanks, I'll be giving away a personalised keyring made by myself. I must have made and sold thousands of these, and thought it would be an appropriate freebie, as you'll be able to use it for your own car keys. I make them all from European oak, and they can be personalised with any name you want, just as long as the letters will fit. So whilst I know it's not much, it is a way for me to give something back and say thanks. So as above, just type Smugwood Mini Keyring in the comment section of the video or on Instagram, and when the subs eventually reach 2000, I'll randomly select a winner. Maybe even 2 or 3 if there's quite a few comments left. If it happens to work out that I don't actually ever reach 2000 subs, I'll just randomly pick a winner in a few weeks' time. Now, you don't have to be subbed to my channel, and you don't need to be a follower on my Instagram. That's not why I'm doing this. But of course, all new subs and followers are always welcome, and it'd be nice to see the keyring or the keyrings go to people who've been following me on my journey so far. Also, please don't add the comment of Smugwood Mini Keyring on any Facebook post that this may be uploaded to, as I'll only be checking the YouTube channel and the Instagram post, the comments. Also, I do actually make and sell these daily, so if a giveaway is not for you, or you want to purchase one separately, I can always knock a little bit off if you let me know that you've seen the offer on this video. So thanks once again to everyone who's helping me get my car back on the road. Now it's up to me to get a move on and start using proper tools like grinders instead of tin snips. Things are slowly moving forward now, and this weekend I've been filming the next episode in the restoration series, although I have been having issues with the welding. The responses to the questions this week that I got from the groups regarding the welding issues were really helpful and really positive, and it's already helped improve my knowledge and welding skills. I think the biggest thing that I've learned is that welding in the wind and the rain isn't the best idea after all. Anyway, I forgot to say, if you put your comment down for the giveaway, please make sure to keep an eye out for a future video for if and when I hit the 2000 sub mark, where I'll announce the winner or the winners, and I'll get in touch as quickly as possible to send the keyrings out. Prior to making the videos on YouTube, I worked as a firefighter for nearly 20 years, serving my community and helping to save lives and promote the fire safety message. Unfortunately, an accumulation of many upsetting scenes became too much for my mind to cope with, and after years of failed therapy I was retired from the service on the grounds of ill health and signed off medically from any employment. To keep myself busy, both body and mind, I developed an interest in woodworking and car mechanics, and with already having a hobby in filming and music, I combined my interests and started making videos here on YouTube, filming, editing and composing my own music for my woodworking and car restoration channels Smugwood and Smugwood Mini. Unfortunately, to produce such videos comes at a price, and with minimal funds after being retired from employment, I've turned to Patreon to see if there is additional support out there which could allow me to continue making the woodworking and car restoration videos. In return for support, there are various levels which are explained in more depth at the Patreon link below, but includes the chance to win one of my YouTube projects made throughout the year, and also inclusion into random prize draws open to patrons only. In addition, I'd like to thank everybody who already subscribes to my channels, or watches, comments, likes and shares them, as it all goes to help support my channels, and for that I'm really appreciative. It's my hope that I can continue making the videos for the foreseeable future. Thanks once again for your continued support.